Hey, this is Sean from the Grow Branding. This will be a very short video, but a very important one. Right now, most of the SEO specialists or the business owner are trying to figure it out how they can estimate or track the traffic coming from the search platform like ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, Grok. So they're reluctant to use the paid search tools like SEMrush, Ahrefs, Google Suggest, like that. But most of these tools give us the rough estimate, not the 100% accurate data. So in this video, I will show you how to use the tools like Google Analytics to track traffic coming from AI search platform. So let's dive into the process here. First of all, you need to go to the login to Google Analytics of your specific client. So in this case, we are going to use the Google Analytics profile is of one of our client. So then you need to go to the left sidebar here and look for the admin setting here. Then next is to you need to search for channel groups here. Next, you need to hit create a new channel group here and give it a name like AI plus LLM search traffic. Anything you can give it here, but I prefer this one. But it's not mandatory to use this. So next is to hit the add new channel here. Then need to give a channel name here. This, for example, is ChatGPT, because we are going to track the traffic coming from the chat platform. So next is to hit the new condition will be the source here. At new condition will be the contain and contain the ChatGPT chat. It will be the same here, the ChatGPT, and hit apply and save the channel here. Then you can see that it is saved here. Next, you need to track the LLM platform like Gemini. So like Gemini. So next is the condition is again the source, and then the condition will be the contain the word Gemini. Then apply here and click save here. And again, you need to hit the same thing, that new channel, and your next is the Perplexity. Just popping here so that the spelling is accurate here. Just paste it here. Then again, the source, the condition contains, and Perplexity here, and hit apply and save it. So you can add as many platform as our channel here, and that's it. Then the final step is to save the group here. Then you can see that it had been saved here, and just need to make sure that you need to change this here, the primary group. Don't select this default channel. It should be this one, because we have added the search string here. So save it and save, and this has been changed. The primary channel is now this one. So you can add again. You can add the other channels like Grok. So Grok here, same. Add the condition group here, the condition sources, again the exact match content, and this will be the Grok. And hit the apply and save the channel. That's it, and save the group and save it here. This will automatically will be added into the primary group channel. Okay, so let's explain what happening here. So you can see that we have added all the LLM platform like ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, Grok. So the condition is that we are tracking the UTM, the source code like the ChatGPT, the LLM. Whenever the link is created, like for example, we are showing this. So this is the what I search the best platform, the shopping, so that the ChatGPT give us the result. If we say that the citation here, we can see that when we click the link here, then we can see that there is a link in the URL here. We have the UTM, so the source code here, the chat. So this is the what the um, analytics will track the from this URL. The source is coming from this. They will track the source and give us the result in the report section here, where with the report here the sources like this, we getting the result here. So we implemented this for one of the client here, the technique. So let's see the result at the if the AI service is showing or not here. So let's go to the report here. So if you see the overview here, you can see that you can see the campaign, the session here. We have the session from the coming from the ChatGPT. That's the tracking. The search is coming from the ChatGPT, like the platform like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini. So yeah, this is working. So if we say see the let's see the setting here, what the exact same setting I use implement in this platform as well. So you can see that this is user the same one. If we can see the option here, this is the what the same the condition sources here, sources condition and all of the users here. So that's so we can use to track the traffic coming from the AI platform like ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, Cloud. Also, we can use the platform like Cloud and Queen as well. So this, so you can hopefully this video help you to track the visitor coming from AI platform.